ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ನೈಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಡೆತ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. Question number 4. The right option is option B. Question number 5. The right option is option C, Basavaya. Question number 6. The right option is option C. Question number 7. The right option is option A. Question number 8. The right option is option B. Question number 9. The right option is option D. Question number 10. The right option is option C. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. First one was supported. Second one was opposed. Third one were composed. Question number 12. First answer is swept across and second answer is brainchild. Question number 13. He refers to Dr. Goldsmith. His refers to Dr. Goldsmith's. She refers to poor woman. Who refers to poor woman's husband. Which refers to a small box. ಇನ್ನು ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿರುವಿರೆಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ, ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 30. First question. Where was V.S. Naipaul born? The answer is Trinidad. Second question. The answer is 2001. Third question. The answer is 2 years. Fourth question. Because of his bitter, even withering critics of so-called third world states and societies, Naipaul was controversial among readers of post-colonial fiction. Fifth question. The right answer is in a free state. Sixth question. The answer is intensified isolation and alienation. Seventh question. The right answer is a house for Mr. Biswas. Eighth question. The answer is accomplishment. Ninth question. The answer is uneducated. Read the following poem and answer the questions set on it. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿರುವಿರೆಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Question number 31. A. First question. We walked along a long distance on foot. Second question. I called my daughter in and shut the door of my home. Next question. The flock of birds is flying overhead. Next question. I saw him at the mall last week. Fill in the blanks with right linkers. First one and, second one as, third one but, fourth one at last. Question number 32. The answer is do I. Second one, the answer is what was a policeman clearing? Question mark. Rectify the errors in the following sentences and rewrite them. Children like sweets. The answer is children like sweets. A sun rises in the east. The answer is the sun rises in the east. Question number 33. The answers are as follows. Question number 34. The right answer is Roof told Ezenwa that he had given them 3 shillings and asked what else they expected from him. Ezenwa replied that they would not have asked for more if Marcus was a poor man. Roof then told that he would give them 1 more shilling and warned them not to expect more. Question number 35. Complete the dialogue. Hi Madhura, you look wonderful today. Thank you so much, Mayura. Is today a special day for you? Yes, it's my birthday. Next, part E. ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಿರುವಿರೆಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.